So one classification of hadith that we have is the Musnad or the Muttasil hadith. So this first category that we'll examine today is called the Musnad or Muttasil hadith. The Musnad literally means the supported, the chain that is supported. The Muttasil in Arabic means connected, supported and connected. Basically, this means that there is no break in the chain. The chain is a consecutive connected chain from the person who's mentioning the hadith all the way until the Imam or the Prophet, peace be upon them. So this is the definition of a muttasil or musnad hadith. You will find this commonly used. For example, you bring a hadith, and as this hadith is being discussed, the question will arise, is this hadith a muttasil hadith? It is a musnad hadith, or no? If there is a break in it, then it becomes more difficult to verify its authenticity. Now this classification of hadith, the musnad and the muttasil, this is a criterion for which type of category we discussed last time? The sahih and hasan and dependable, right? All those three, for us to say this is a sahih hadith, this is a hasan hadith, this is a muwaththaq, dependable hadith, it must be musnad or muttasil. If you have a hadith in which all narrators are adil, just, upright, truthful, but there's one break in the chain, there's one gap, right? Can you call this a sahih hadith? No, you can no longer call it a sahih hadith, or a dependable hadith, or a hasan hadith. All these three, the chain must be connected to the Imam. So we see this classification, the musnad or the muttasil, this is an important condition for any hadith to be sahih. You cannot have a sahih chain if there's a break in the chain.